Today is the celebration of the journey of two hearts, a journey that began in the way that many modern love stories do, making a virtual connection. This has been a journey of living and loving with trust and willingness. This is what we're here to celebrate today, this wonderful continuing story. James, do you take Taylor to be your wife? Do you promise to love her, honor her, and comfort her, showing kindness, patience, understanding, and respect throughout your lives?
Absolutely, I do.
And Taylor, do you take James to be your husband? Do you promise to love him, honor him, and comfort him, showing kindness, patience, understanding, and respect throughout your lives?
I do.
James is a good person. We all know that, right? The James I see now, he's changed for the better in the person, and the reason that is that girl right there. I can truly tell, and I know we all see it, that those two bring out the best in each other.
So Taylor and James, may you have a very long and deeply happy life together, filled with the love of family and friends, the sweetness and appreciation of life's simple moments, and may you hold deep gratitude in your everyday for one another and all the forms that blessings come into your life. In doing so, you have declared to yourselves and to all of us that you are now husband and wife in the sight of God and all people. I invite you to celebrate this marriage with a kiss.
The one thing I will say is Taylor has a really great sense of heart, and when you know, is what I'll say. And at the end of the day, I just seen her light up when you came into her life, and you guys have just blossomed together since then, and I'm just grateful to experience this moment with you all, and I'm here for you whenever you need me, and yeah, so cheers.
James, since I met you, man, it's been wonderful. It's been a pleasure. We met at Thanksgiving for the first time when I came for Thanksgiving, and you was very hospitable, treated me good. I liked you from the beginning, still love you. So I'm here just to tell that story and just say I love you both. Welcome to the family. Taylor, I love you, and just enjoy the evening. Thank you.